like a judo.
Like this, like that. Or should I put this front like this? You go
It really depends on which is your best foot. Me, mine is my right foot, so I put it in the back. My right hand, I put it in the back. Just I'm like right-sided. My right hand and my right leg will be behind my left side. And you're going everywhere. If you're right-handed, like you mainly want to jab with your left hand. Like throw like straight punches, maybe sometimes with the left. But I like when I throw jabs, I like my jabs. Straight punches, I use my right. Why? Why you
There's not even the right footing. I'm like tiptoeing. If I get hit, like I fall over. It's over for me. I'm tired, bro.
Because you're just always doing this. Doing this. Imagine you're in a fight and you're holding this up.
What? Can you do it? Whose gloves are these?
Yours?
Like this? Like that? If you're right, you go right?
Yeah, that's like foot. You try. I'm not going to do it.
What do you want to do?
Keep it like a little far away from you.
Don't do it too hard. If I get hit, I'm
Don't
like...
do this. Don't do this. Like, close enough. Oh yeah, no, I'm not a girl there. And they were also like the gym in the back. Just get punch.
Do I put my foot in the front when I do it?
You like can.
Because when I do this, I only know how to do the right one. And I just turn back like a ballerina.
You do?
Okay. Right? Straight? 1, 2, 3. Don't do it too hard.
My straight punch? My straight punch?
No, don't do no straight punches. I only do jabs for you. Are you supposed to be this weak?
Me?
No, the hands. Or are you supposed to thumb?
You're supposed to like.
Bro, I can't do it now. Like, they're all like blah, 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 blah. Look at them. I can't do it. My arms are that weak. I'm like this. My arms are tired. I only like
You only like what?
I only like something. I don't like two.
You're like, also no, because that punch going too much, you're gonna go haywire on me, bro. You're gonna go.
I don't care about what we're fighting with. Like at every
In judo, she falls and then they push her a little bit.
I'm not gonna lie.
On the left side of the ring.
Me? 120.
Only weighing out 120 pounds, we have Unau. And on the right side of the ring, we have that there, weighing at 3 billion pounds.
Well, what is this?
This? I don't know. Yeah!
Well, what do they do? What other move they do to haunt, like, to haunt their...
Or you can do stare down sometimes. Like before time they like stare down.
Oh, what was that thing that goes on there?
Like you do this, they do this. Like usually they do that your chest kick, like, you know, to simplify the beginning. But sometimes if you want to be really structured, oh, yeah, like that.
Oh.
You know, with my time.
Oh, what else? Stare down?
You stop this. Don't teach how to apply one of those things.
I saw how now.
Don't teach how to apply one of those things.